Hello everyone, this is Kinkoni IoT. This video I will show you how to integrate COLB logic controller to Home Assistant by MQTT, because we have made the new freeware for the COLB that support the MQTT TCP connection. Okay, let's look at how to do with it. Okay, let's look at this is Home Assistant diagram. Because we have already added the H32 relay controller on the Home Assistant, so you can see yes, this is 32 channel relay. This is our logic controller, COLB. This is for digital input and the temperature and the analog input. This Home Assistant is running on Raspberry Pi. You can see when I trigger for the digital input like this, I trigger the digital one. You can see this is on, and I remove the twice. You can see this will be off. Also, we can see this is mobile phone. I can put it in this way. Because you have installed the Home Assistant application on your iOS or on your Android phone, you can use this mobile phone application. This is 5 temperature sensor. We can let it become up. You can see this. We can see the temperature. This is the temperature. And you can also see the computer. This is the temperature. 5 channel temperature is up. And this is a mobile phone. This is mobile phone temperature. And also you can test the analog input for this analog input. Okay, now let's look at how to do with it. You can see this is how to use guide on the website. You can see the knowledge and the Home Assistant. You can find out this article that is for COLB. And the first, you need to update your freeware. Make sure is greater than this first. Just we can see the network setting. You can see the freeware version, just as this version. How to download? You can go to our form. This is the news, and download the COLB freeware. And then you can make sure for the settings, just for work mode, MQTT, and this is MQTT server and the point. And this is block name, username, and the password. Just like this, because we have supported the Ethernet for MQTT. So you can choose this option in MQTT. And this is the IP and the port, just Raspberry Pi. And you can, maybe you have the block running on the Windows PC, or maybe on your other device, you just choose the IP and the port. Because this is Raspberry Pi, this is IP, and this is a port, and this is MQTT block, the username and the password. You can see this mosquito block, and because I have configured the username is MQTT and the password is 123, you can change it. Just this is everything as this setting. So you can see go on for these settings. And now you just to write and change the configuration.yaml file in Home Assistant, just a few edit. You will find this YAML file. This is for D1, digital 1, and digital 2. Just is this state topic. And this is 16 channel for digital input. And now you can see the file temperature. This is topic of the temperature. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this began the analog input, just the topic, and the 1, 2, 3, 4 until 16 channel. This I have write change the range. This is because our analog sensor is input is 0 to 5 volt. So if you have used a humidity sensor, like the range is 0 to 100%, so you need to the value and the 20 twice. So you can just at this place just use this 20 times, and this is the unit. The default I have write the voltage, and you can write the percent, or if you have the what level sensor you can write here by meet or by other unit, just for this function. And you can also see this website, how to integrate the topic with the digital input and the analog input and the temperature. And also you can download this file. This is a demo file config. I have uploaded to this place. You can download. And after all your settings, you just restart and you will see this dashboard. So it's very easy. Just do these steps. And the bottom of this, this is the command for development. If you can write for your software by MQTT, so you can use a read sensor command, and this is feedback, and read digital input, and read analog input, and read the temperature sensor. And also this is a command for disable and enable the auto report function. The default is auto report is enabled. So this is the Home Assistant integrate with MQTT. So this is how to use the COLB integrate Home Assistant with the MQTT. Okay, thanks for watching.